This is going to be a complete breakdown of how the 72-hour affiliate program works. More importantly, I'm going to show you how you can make both low-ticket commissions, high-ticket affiliate commissions, and one of my favorites, monthly reoccurring commissions. So with that being said, in this video, I'll also explain how the Funnel Freedom affiliate program works, which is the software on the back end. But let me show you exactly what I mean. Now, when you're an affiliate for the 72-hour challenge, you're able to send people to this $9 challenge. Now, as an affiliate, you're going to get 40% of everything that people buy inside of this challenge. Okay. Now, so for example, let's just say you send people here. You're going to get 40% commissions of everything that happens. Okay. Now, the cool thing is within this challenge funnel, there's actually multiple upsells and multiple offerings that people can get. Okay. So there's literally like 5-6 different things that help people along the journey. Okay. So an average cart value that we're seeing is anywhere between $45 and $55. Okay. So what does that mean? That means that people are spending an average of $45 to $55 in this funnel. Okay. This is just the front end funnel. We're not even talking about the back end or the software. This is just the front end. Okay. So the reason I mention this is because when you send people to this challenge, you're going to be able to make more money on the front end as well. Okay. So it's kind of more bang for your buck, but it's also getting your clients and your referrals more value as they go through this. Okay. Now, another thing to mention is inside of this challenge, that's really cool. We have this guarantee. Okay. And as you can see here, it says, if you didn't like this challenge, I'll give you a full refund. I'll send you $100 and I'll send you $100 for wasting your time. Okay. So this is just something that's really cool because I know for a fact people are going to love this challenge. And I'll explain the actual product in just a little bit, okay? But that's how the challenge works, and I'll show you how to sign up and everything. That's all gonna be down in the description below, okay? Now, here, let me go through the actual challenge. That way you understand it, okay? Now, I do recommend that you go buy the challenge and go through it because, I always recommend that you go through any product that you're recommending, but it's not necessary. It's free to promote this as an affiliate, okay? But the challenge itself, and this is what I want to explain, is right here, okay? This is kind of what it looks like. What's very unique, and a lot of people have mentioned, well, is this challenge similar to like what Legendary Marketer has in the Legendary Marketer 15-day business challenge? Well, it's similar, but it is a lot different. I want to explain why. Okay, and this is really important to understand. So if I click inside of this challenge, it's basically a 3-day challenge. And what's really cool is we've created this automated backend software. Okay, so let me explain what I mean. So when people go to day 2 and they set up this software, they're able to then promote 15 different products in literally a few seconds. Now, let me explain what I mean by that. Now, here's the back end of the software that we teach inside of the challenge. And again, I'll show you how you can become an affiliate for this as well and how this is going to be all automated so you can get best of both worlds, okay? So I'll explain that in just a second. I just want you to understand the product, okay? Because if you need to understand the product, that way you're able to promote it as an affiliate, okay? So the cool thing is within this software, people can add their affiliate links for multiple products, as you can see right here, even Legendary Marketer, Wealth Warrior, System.io, Secrets of Success, and some of these that you might have heard of, right? So what's really cool about this product is people can add their affiliate links and literally within seconds, they're going to have something that looks like this. They're going to have a free course that they can then give out as their own. Okay. So very, very powerful. The cool thing about this is it's a 7-part course that you're able to give out for free. to your audience. Okay, so this is an example of Becca Duncan's free course that she can give out. And what's cool is if I go scroll down to the bottom and I click on this link here, everything is all going back to her affiliate links, right? As you can see at the top, this is her affiliate link for that challenge, okay? So we give, the cool thing is we give people all those assets within this challenge itself, okay? Now here's the cool thing about the challenge also is when people click on, right here to get access to the Funnel Freedom software, which is the software that lets people do this in seconds, well, you also get a commission for that as well, okay? Now, one thing to note is you do need to sign up for the Funnel Freedom Affiliate Program, and I'll leave the links down below. But essentially, it looks something like this, okay? This is the back office for the 72-hour challenge. So if you wanted to become an affiliate for the 72-hour challenge, this is what it looks like. And you would send people to right here, the challenge link, as you can see here at the bottom, okay? Now, same thing with the Funnel Freedom software. It's going to look similar. Again, it's 40% commissions on that. Another cool thing about the Funnel Freedom part of things, which is the software side, you also get 10% of everyone that you also bring in. So it's like a second tier commissions with the Funnel Freedom program. Now, one thing I want to mention before, I just want you to understand everything, right? So the challenge itself is the education, right? This is the where we teach people how to build an affiliate business, how to promote multiple products, and then we show them how to do it with the software, okay? So you got two different products here. So think of Funnel Freedom as like, an alternative to ClickFunnels or System.io or Aweber, right? So that type of software. The cool thing about Funnel Freedom is it eliminates ClickFunnels and System.io and ManyChat and Aweber and GetResponse and a lot of software. So it's really cool. But you as the affiliate, and this is what I want to get you excited about, is you're going to be able to make money on the challenge. You're going to be able to make money on the software. And now let's talk about the high ticket commissions as well. Okay. And then I got a really cool bonus thing that we do for our affiliates. We literally run ads for you. Okay. So I'm really excited about that. Okay. So going back here, I'm going to go back to the challenge. Now on day 2, and let me actually go back here. You'll notice that day 3, it's a 3-day challenge, but you'll notice day 3 is locked. Okay. So day 3 is where we teach them how to get traffic, okay? 3 secret ways to get traffic. It's a really amazing training, okay? Now, the only way that they can get access to day 3 is if they book a call with an advisor, okay? So they have to go and book a call with a business advisor. Now, the goal of this is to walk people through the challenge, but more importantly, right? You as the affiliate, you're also going to get a chance to get a higher ticket commission, okay? Now, if we go back over here and we go back to the courses, the next step after after the 72-hour challenge is then Freedom Accelerator, okay? And that's what our business advisors are doing, is they're showing them the opportunity that we have with Freedom Accelerator, okay? Now, if I go into Freedom Accelerator, I could go super in depth into this. I'll leave a link down below in the YouTube description with a full review on Freedom Accelerator. But as you can see, this is a full 4-phase program and coaching program teaching people how to start a business from scratch. I mean, it's just extremely in depth. Think of the legendary marketer blueprints, but on steroids, and a lot more to offer, right? So that's the cool thing about the program itself. And as you can see, tons and tons of information here inside of this. And then we have short form video trainings, faceless leads, how to get faceless leads with AI, how to get unlimited leads with Instagram with one of my students, Camila Markson, how to get leads with Facebook Reels with Joshua Smith. So it really goes into depth. I'm not going to go into the actual product itself because you can go look at that review, okay? But that being said, understanding that this, as an affiliate, right, you want to have 3 things. You want to have the low ticket commissions, which is always nice to kind of pay for your ads and all your hard work you're doing. The high ticket commissions is like when you get paid, right? That's like the actual like amazing thing when you get those big high ticket commissions. But my favorite is the monthly reoccurring commissions because that's predictable every single month, right? So what we've built here is something that allows you to do all three, okay? Very seamless, okay? Because what happens here, and this is what's really cool, let me go back, is when you send someone to the challenge, okay? And you know, they enter an email, they buy the challenge. What's cool is they automatically get coded to the Funnel Freedom software. So even if they buy that later on, that's all going to be connected. Okay. Now you do have to have a 72-hour challenge affiliate program. You have to be signed up for that. And you also have to be signed up for the Funnel Freedom. And again, I'll leave those links down below. Super easy to sign up for. But what's cool again is you have that opportunity. Okay. Now, one thing I want to mention as well is that bonus feature that we do, and we literally run ads for our affiliates, okay? And this is something that I've never really seen an affiliate program do, okay? The reason we do that is because, well, I value your traffic. I value you spending, you know, time making content, you spending money sending ads to our program. So we want to make this as lucrative as possible for you. Okay. So let me explain what I mean by that. And this is going to be something really, really cool. I think you're really going to like. Okay. Now this is my Facebook ad account. And as you can see in March, we've spent a little over $13,000. Okay. Now, why does that matter to you? Because as you can see with the ads itself, we run multiple ads and warm up ads depending on, you know, what type of traffic you send us. So we run like warm up videos and we send information and testimonials. Like we have an amazing ad strategy that is just, it's incredible. As you can see though, you can see all the purchases from our ads. Now, why does this matter to you? Because what's cool is when you send somebody to any of our pages, okay, we literally will run ads to those people. That way we can get them to buy. Now, the next question I get is, well, you know, if I send someone to your challenge and they click and they don't buy, and then they see my ad and they click and buy from the ad, you still get the sale because it's all coded, right? So the cool thing about the affiliate program is everything is coded based on cookies, meaning if they clicked on the website and then, you know, they go and buy, you know, from an ad, you're still going to get that sale. Now, if they go and they opt in, they enter an email, they're technically coded to you for life as long as they buy with that same email. Okay. So that's another really cool thing. And then, so again, if they're buying from our ads that we're running, you as the affiliate are still going to get the sale. Okay. Which is just incredible. Okay. And again, even if our business advisors close someone for the higher ticket, you also get the sale. If our ad closes them, you also get the sale. Amazing. It's such a really cool thing. And then on top of that, we have webinars. So if you want to send people to one of our webinars, which is essentially a 90-minute presentation, you can also get a high ticket commission with that as well. Okay. And I'll make another video on the webinar part of things, but the main thing I want to mention is the challenge, because the challenge is what helps people warm up to this process. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions down below. I promise I'll get all your questions answered. And that way you have complete confidence in this affiliate program. Now, one thing, last thing I want to mention is we've been around for a long time. So we've been around since 2020. I quit my job back in 2020 to do this full time. I'm still a full-time affiliate. I'm one of Alex Hormozi's top 5 affiliates in the world, Russell Brunson's top affiliates. I was Legendary Marketer's top affiliate. I'm still in the trenches doing the thing. That's why I want to teach you the correct way to do affiliate marketing and the best practices possible. Okay. Now, that being said, we've paid out over $2 million in affiliate commissions. We have a network of over 30,000 affiliates. So we've been doing this for a long time. I understand what affiliates want, what they need. So we try to give you everything possible to promote this program. Okay. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and let me know again if you have any questions down below. With that being said, we'll see you on the next video.